Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word thigh. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Thy presence at the event is greatly anticipated by all the other guests. In this sentence, thy is a possessive determiner, meaning your. It is an archaic or poetic way of addressing someone or something as belonging to the person being spoken to. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.